how to add or change your background wallpaper uh, on your WeChat. So in this tutorial, I will show you guys how to do that. Let's learn how to do it. Open your WeChat first, and after doing that, you will see here this list. Go guys, click on me option, and right now you will find this list. Click on the settings, click on chats, go right now to background, click, and here they will tell you if you want to choose a wallpaper from your WeChat. WeChat have like a library, and or choose the photo or take photo or apply or all to all the chat, for example, if you choose one. And here you can control it of like what you want, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.